Sharing with you guys 3 tips on how to get the best out of your A6000. Tip number 1 is put your camera on a tripod. So the tripod is extremely important if you're trying to get that slow shutter speed, trying to get that milky water look. Second tip is upgrade your lens. So we just hooked the A6000 up to the 2-600 Sony lens with the APS-C sensor. You do crop in, so bro, whiz like straight up to this surface. It's very impressive. My third tip is when you put your camera on a tripod, use the 10-second timer. So we just use the 10-second timer. That's the only option you got. The newer cameras, you can go as low as 2 seconds. But look like with the Sony A6000, you'll be stuck with that 10-second timer. I'm not gonna lie, at moments, it do feel like 2 hours.